So, very good morning to all of you. In our previous lecture, we discussed the concept of sidebands. Now, in our today's lecture, we are concentrating on the bandwidth requirement in AM. Now, as all of we know us that, suppose for example, if I am drawing a spectrum over here, so suppose this is frequency f on x-axis, on y-axis there is amplitude. Now suppose if I am saying that uh, this is 0 kilohertz, 0 point, then suppose this is 10 kilohertz frequency, then one more point I am drawing here, that is 20 kilohertz frequency. Then one more point I will draw here, 30 kilohertz frequency, and suppose these are nothing but the amplitudes of that particular frequency component. Now if I want to calculate the bandwidth between two frequency band, suppose I will label the 10 kilohertz frequency as f1, 20 kilohertz as frequency f2, and 30 kilohertz as a frequency f3. And suppose if I want to calculate the bandwidth between f1 and f2, so there is formula. So bandwidth, it is always equal to upper frequency minus lower frequency. Now our aim is to calculate the bandwidth of band f1 f2. Then for that particular band, upper frequency is f2 and lower frequency is f1. So it becomes f2 minus f1. So f2 minus f1. Now when we see that f2 it is equal to 20 kilohertz and f1 it is 10 kilohertz, so bandwidth becomes 10 kilohertz, right? Similarly, if we want to calculate the bandwidth between f1 and f3, so bandwidth f1 f3 is equal to upper frequency it is f3 and lower frequency here it is f1. So f3 it is equal to 30 and f1 it is equal to 10. So bandwidth becomes 20 kilohertz. So by this way we are calculating the bandwidth. Now our concept or our aim is to calculate the bandwidth of the AM spectrum or frequency domain representation. Now when we want to calculate the bandwidth of AM or bandwidth requirement of AM, what we observe is that bandwidth between FLSB and FUSB, so BW bandwidth is equal to, now here upper frequency is FC plus FM. So we say that FUSB upper frequency minus FLSB frequency component of lower frequency. So FUSB, as all of we know, it is FC plus FM, and FLSB, as all of we know, it is in bracket FC minus FM. Now if we do some mathematical manipulation, what we found is that FC plus FM, now if this particular minus sign is get multiplied within this particular bracket, what we get, it becomes minus FC plus FM. So FC gets cancelled out and the bandwidth requirement for AM, it is twice FM, the same point we have written over here. So this is all about the bandwidth requirement. So thank you very much.